Hello and guten Abend. I'm Harald Seitz, CEO of KaratBank International. I launched some well-known companies and recently created KaratBank Coin. Dear partners and friends, with these words, today our boss, Senator Harald Seitz, would have welcomed you. He's on a business trip in North America and asked me to speak to you today. We have learned by now the basics of crypto, blockchain, and the characteristic features of our brand new crypto coin, which is still in the pre-ICO phase. Oh, by the way, do not forget to visit our homepage, KaratBank.io, regularly. It's kind of a dashboard which informs you in real time about the current conditions of our ICO. Good to know. In the lower right corner of your desktop browser, you will find the KaratBank Contact Center to start a chat with our 24-hour support team. On mobiles, a text bubble icon appears immediately after you opened the homepage. So, what is it today? I would like to introduce you to the KaratBank affiliate program. This is supposed to be a simple and safe way for you to participate directly on your success and growth. To do so, simply type in the address KaratBank-affiliate.io. Please note the dash between the two words. Internet takes it very serious. What you will get is the following page. I would like to focus on this area especially. See the percentage numbers right there? This is the share from your sales of the tokens that you can achieve at best. Not bad, I think. So, would you like to try this now? A small note before. Even if you are already affiliated with, for instance, KaratBank, you have to register new at the KaratBank affiliate program. Please don't ask for details now, it's very techy. So then, click on affiliate registration, and this is where it leads you. I assure you, that's the largest amount of text you need to enter. Please check the correct spelling of your email address as often as you need it. No correct address, no account. After everything has worked out nicely, you'll receive a mail from us like this one. Following the activation of your account, simply log in. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Nice, isn't it? You're welcome. For today, I would like to point out on two features that are important to know right from the start. First, your referral link. You'll find it below at the bottom of the page. Use it everywhere and anytime. It is the primary source of your income. Second, we do not leave you alone. In case of any strange or unclear situation, get in contact with us. On the right side of your screen, on desktops or tablets, you can see the partner support. Just choose your topic and write us a message. What happened? Or what not happened as expected. On mobiles, click on the famous three horizontal lines in the upper left corner and choose Partner Support. So, is it a deal? I think so too. I also think something really big is coming up. So the sooner you are with us, the better. Thank you for your time. See you soon and auf Wiedersehen.